If your health and wellness clinic is generating between $1 and $20 million a year, you already know what the capacity ceiling looks like. It's the constant friction at the front desk. Your staff is forced to choose between checking in the patient standing right in front of them or answering the phone ringing with a new prospect. It's the scheduling gaps. A last-minute cancellation or a no-show leaves a 30-minute hole in the calendar, and your team simply doesn't have the bandwidth to call down a waitlist to fill it. Then there are the lapsed clients. Patients complete their initial treatment plan and slowly drift away because there is no systematic follow-up process to bring them back in. You try to solve this by driving more patient volume, but without changing the operational architecture, more volume compresses margins and burns out staff. The source of this bottleneck resides in the infrastructure itself. Hiring more administrative help fails to address the underlying absence of a governed system. Look at the existing tech stack in most clinics. You have an isolated scheduling app, a separate CRM for leads, and a disconnected platform for billing. Because these tools don't talk to each other natively, your human staff becomes the manual connection point. They're acting as human middleware, constantly copying and pasting data from one screen to another. Every new patient you add to a fragmented system multiplies that manual workload, escalating operational complexity faster than your human capacity can absorb. Resolving this structural complexity requires a different approach to your business infrastructure. This is what Quanton OS is built to do. Quanton OS deploys 8 coordinated AI agents running entirely on Quanton Labs' proprietary server infrastructure to handle the execution volume. Rather than replacing your current tools, these 8 agents connect directly to your clinic's existing platforms via API endpoints. This means there is no software migration required. Your scheduling, CRM, and billing systems remain stable and unchanged. By deploying a hosted, integrated agent system over your current tools, you solve the core capacity problem without disrupting established medical workflows. While functional agents execute tasks, Quanton OS utilizes a governing agent to manage the entire system. This is the technical distinction that separates a governed system from standard automation tools. This central agent actively coordinates the other 7 functional agents, synthesizing their operational data and ensuring they don't conflict. If an agent encounters an exception, the governing agent surfaces that real-time information directly to a live leadership dashboard for your review. And because Quanton OS is a fully managed service, Quanton Labs operates and maintains this entire system for you. It's not another piece of software you have to configure yourself. A system that centralizes decision-making and enforces standard procedures creates a level of stability that fragmented tools cannot match. When you deploy this architecture, the daily operational friction in the clinic shifts. The customer experience agent handles inbound scheduling requests and executes fully automated follow-up sequences after every patient visit. Meanwhile, the sales agent qualifies new patient leads and answers their initial questions before they ever reach your front desk staff. In the background, the operations agent monitors task completion across your medical team, flagging any deviations from your standard operating procedures. And the moment a patient service is completed, the finance agent tracks the billing triggers and queues up the invoices. These specific agent functions collectively eliminate the manual middleware burden on your staff, allowing the clinic to capture its full operational margin as volume increases. To understand exactly how this applies to your clinic, the first step is the Phase 1 Discovery and Diagnostic engagement. This chart shows how the diagnostic process maps your specific operational gaps. We quantify the annual value leakage, lost leads, wasted time, and missed follow-ups against your captured revenue. Taking this diagnostic step shifts your focus from reactive staffing toward building intentional, governed infrastructure.